Face ID not working after updating to iOS 26? Can't even reset Face ID. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue and get your Face ID working again. Method 1. Knock the front camera. After an iOS update, Face ID may become more sensitive to the true depth camera. Tap the front camera lens a few times with your finger, knuckle, or palm. This may help realign any slightly dislodged parts. Many users have reported that this works. Method 2. Clean the front camera. Wipe the front camera lens with a soft microfiber cloth. Method 3. Remove phone case and protector. Method 4. Force restart your iPhone. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Method 5. Open the camera app. Open the camera app. Switch to the front camera. Method 6. Turn off scene detection. Open Settings. Select Camera. Turn off scene detection. Method 7. Check screen time settings. Open Settings. Tap Screen Time. Tap Content Privacy Restrictions. Tap Passcode Face ID. Set it to Allow. Method 8. Fix with iSumsoft iOS Refixer. If none of the above methods work, there may be a deeper software issue causing Face ID not to work, and you can fix it with iSumsoft iOS Refixer. On your computer, download and install iSumsoft iOS Refixer. I have placed the link in the description below. Launch the software. Select System Repair. Select Standard Mode. Click Start to confirm your selection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to your computer via USB cable. Then click Next. The software will automatically detect your iPhone. Click Download to download the firmware required for iOS repair. Finally, click Repair. The software will start repairing your iPhone. The repair was successful. Your iPhone will automatically restart, and all features, including Face ID, will begin working properly again. Method 9. Restore your iPhone in recovery mode. First, plug your iPhone into your computer via USB cable. Then boot your iPhone into recovery mode. Here is how. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the recovery mode appears. Open iTunes on your computer. Choose Restore when prompted. Click Restore and Update to confirm. Agree to the terms. iTunes will automatically restore your iPhone to its factory settings. The restore was successful. Your iPhone is now like a brand new device. Set it up from scratch and set up Face ID again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.